suddenly I am waking up. I'm not where I was. And I'm confused. Because I'm laying on something. And I don't know where I am, and I don't know how I got there, and I'm looking around and I can't figure it out. And I'm looking down at what is the floor, and then I start to realize, wait a minute, I'm on the floor? And then something happened to me, and it's very hard to describe. And I was like 12 feet away from where I was when I coughed. Was I saved by a ghost? Was I saved by an angel? What was there? Did something grab me as I started to collapse to the floor and pick me up and carry me over to the floor with a table?